Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you an incredible Chrome extension from Glass that allows you to summarize any YouTube video without actually watching it. So, let's dive in. Visit the website glass.co and look for the YouTube Summary extension. You can install it on either Chrome or Safari. After installation, head over to any YouTube video. Hover your mouse over the video and you'll see the ChatGPT logo briefly, indicating that the extension is active. Now, let's take this video as an example. On the right side of your screen, you'll find the transcript and summary option. Click on Summary. In the Summary section, you can view an AI-generated summary. The extension uses ChatGPT to condense the video's content into 5 bullet points. If you prefer, you can copy the transcript in the plain text or jump to a specific time in the video. The real magic happens when you hit View AI Summary. The extension will instantly summarize the video and provide you with the 5 bullet points. It's a quick way to grasp the content without investing the full time. You can customize the extension by going to the settings on the video. You can choose AI model, language, and even change the prompt for summarization. This extension is a fantastic time saver, especially for longer videos. It's available for free on the Glass website or through the Chrome or Safari store. And that's it. I hope this video helped you discover a valuable tool for efficient content consumption. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!